let's look at how an order can be investigated individually. Go to the orders page, either using the hotkeys or by visiting Daily Activities Order tab. Now, as you see the top navigation, the orders list shows you complete list of all shipped orders. The return list will show you only orders which have been returned back to the seller. The payment list will only show orders which have received any positive or negative payments against them. And the actionable list will only reflect orders which have been paid incorrectly or are due for payments. Let's go inside an order. The first section you see over here is called order timeline. Over here, every event that has happened is reflected. Talking about this very case, after the order was created, 74.75 rupees were deducted against the order. Then 314.32 rupees were received against the order, and post which the seller has received the return physically. As you can see that the return limit acceptance period has also been surpassed. The sale, return and net transaction info tabs reflect all values on gross, return and net stages of the order. Looking at this order, the order was sold to the customer for 405 rupees. The TDS liability against the same is 3.64 rupees. This is the gross NR value, which is the net expected receivable for the seller. The tax liability against the order, the cost of product sold, the tax-free sale amount, and the gross profit against the order. All the return attributes can be seen in this tab, which also talks about that the return was a normal return and a case of seller fault, because of which an additional penalty of 15.84 rupees have been spent. Since the order was returned, looking at the net transaction value, in totality the seller made a loss of minus 15 rupees against the sale of this order. This is the breakup of the commission values which have been deducted for deriving the net seller payable. Please note that these values are calculated by order to revenue and are not influenced from sales channels in any manner. Order to revenue is able to calculate these values because it intakes commercial agreements of the sales channels and accordingly derive both sale commission and return commission values. If the order was part of an ongoing event, the event details would have appeared here. The sellers can also track event level sale figures and profitability levels separately from normal transactions. The payment info tabs talks about the total negative amount received, total positive received, the net payment result and the net payment difference value. In case this value is in positive figures, that means that this much amount is expected to be deducted against this order in the near future. Whereas if this value is negative, the seller has to recover this money from the sales channel in order to settle it. Thank you.